is actually pretty good at Ikea. Who would have thought it? Nitty's eating all the cake though. We're supposed to share the cake.
It's good.
I feel like you took more than half. If you look.
No.
At the circumference of the cake.
Okay, hold up. So this is what we did. We bought 4 kids meals, equaled out to 1 adult meal. But we got 4 separate things, plus some drinks, and some extra meatballs.
What is it called again?
It's Swedish club soda. It's club soda.
It's not club soda.
Well, club juice.
What club juice? Lagunas. I don't know. Legion. Buried legions from Sweden. Go off. It's good.
Don't you guys laugh when your fag hat friends say things and it sounds amazing? Like they said, fag hat.
You call me a fag hat? I am not your beard. You tried it.
Isn't it amazing how like your friends can say your lingo and they like say it on point at the right time? That's her. That's one of them. You know.
I mean, I learned from the best. You know, I'm gonna be real. I am not gonna be. Sir, you have your half.
Thank you.
We lost a viewer. Oh, let's say what? Oh no, we got another one.
We only got 3 viewers. Now we have 4.
Everything.
That's fine. Because I'm going to find out who you are. And I'm going to block. I'm going to find out who you are. And I'm going to just block you.
I don't block people.
She does. She knock people.
I'm not talking about that stuff. Like, you know, this shit is on. We going to be cool again. Maybe. I don't know. But even if we ain't, I still want you to see how fabulous my life is. So, I ain't gonna block you. I want you to see me doing good. I want you to see me rising to the top. Ah, they going up. The viewers coming.
They climbing.
Rising up.
Keep going. Oh, they went down.
Oh, just like Benji. Oh, damn.
It's fine.
This is why we don't reach out to y'all.
It's okay. Because you're going to be tuning in to me or her soon. So that's fine. Oh. I'll get paid for my ratings. Thank you.
Don't mix cake and spaghetti and stuff. You can't go back and forth. I thought it was a good idea, but no.
Hella good.
I like...
What?
We were splitting the cake.
Yeah, we're sharing it. I'm splitting it apart. There you go.
You ate, first of all, you took half already, and then you ate all the cake and left me the frosting. It's not fair. Give me some cake. Who is he? I'm out looking at baby.
Who is that? Nitty, sis. What's up?
He stole my cake.
So this is one of my friends, D.
Hey,
when I was cheering for the Seahawks, we went to school together. So now going on 23 years this year.
How you gonna just leave me the frosting? What kind of shit is that?
It's actually really good.
It's actually really good. Why do you eat it? You ate all the cake. I'm not sharing. Sharing is caring.
So who's coming to my birthday event this Thursday? Contact Davion Viney on Facebook, get more details, or Lachelle Oates.
I don't even know. I might not even be invited. Davion didn't tell me about what's going on yet.
He will either be able to hit y'all up and let y'all know, or Lachelle. So yeah, I'll tag him tonight in the post. And please, Don't get thirsty over him or her. Thank y'all. That's one. Thank you.
Unless y'all fine as hell, you could definitely get thirsty over. Nitty, why can't you want to be happy?
Okay, you guys. If you got 6 figures with okay credit and got a really amazing job, you can date her.
Interracial dating. Let's talk about it.
Interracial dating.
Anybody done that before? I've never done it before, but I'm open.
I honestly think that interracial dating is definitely amazing.
You're mixed.
Thanks.
She's never been. I want chocolate babies, but I've come to the realization they'll be chocolate regardless.
Her baby's gonna be chocolate with blonde hair. I'm joking.
That's funny. He don't want to give me a baby. But I don't want my baby to have them Filipino teeth.
No, go back to interracial dating. Okay, so interracial dating, basically, I feel like what you like is what you like, and it makes the sidewalks color. it's a lot of I don't know. Like, I grew up in San Francisco, so it's very like hippie-ish, like peace and love, and that's all I saw was different. So I don't see anything wrong with it. However,
are you gonna eat those?
no. See why we can't get it right for the video shoot? We can't.
Well, you want to film while we're being piggish right now. I did grow up in San Francisco as well. It's just.
What'd she say? Y'all both is hella funny. Hi y'all.
Hey,
what's up?
I think they can hear you. I don't know.
Oh yeah, we got 4 viewers. Okay. So why she slam that chair like that?
She was over our
She was already in my way. I almost fell over her, but thank goodness that I have a respect for my elders. Anywho, but interracial dating, I think it's amazing. I feel like it definitely gives some type of to the commitment. Like,
I think I'm too racist to be in an interracial relationship. And I talk a lot of shit.
she likes rock and roll.
I love rock. I mean, look at my hair. I love rock and roll.
So she should be okay, right? Exactly. Like,
I don't know. He's nice though.
He's so cool. Peace and love on 3. Peace and love. That was for that part.
Nitty is retarded. I'm gonna have to really pee. You know I got a small bladder, but this juice is going off. Like, they need to.
Oh yes. So go. I'm sorry. Go to Ikea, everybody. Ikea. So what you do is you purchase like your food. Go to the food area, buy food, and whatever your total amount is, if you spend over $100, they take that amount off. So we spend $20.95. So if we buy something today, hopefully, then we get $20.95 off. So y'all go. We're in Emeryville right now, over here in Oakland, California. So just go wherever.
I mean, I would give y'all my praise report, but like all of my viewers just left, so I'm gonna wait. We gonna wait on that. Thank you, Nitty, for that shameless IKEA plug.
See, she's used to the camera, not me. I'll stay off the camera. I'll give you still poses. She give you live and indirect.
Speaking of live, caller, you say what? It's my mother.
Goodbye.
Hola, madre.